If you have a WordPress website and you want to use Google Analytics or add your Facebook pixel or a cookie script, then you're going to need to add a little bit of code to your website. But you can't do this with WordPress out of the box. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly Sparks, creator of the Website Formula, and today I'm going to teach you an easy way to add code into your header or footer without writing any code at all or editing any of your theme files. There are three ways that you can do this. You can do it either manually, which means you have to edit your theme's header.php and footer.php files, which probably sounds quite complicated. It's a little risky. And also these can be overwritten if your theme gets an upgrade, and you do want to be upgrading your themes, so it's probably not the best route to go. You can also do it through your theme's built-in header and footer code feature if your theme has one. And the third way is by using a plugin. I'm going to show you how to do it using a plugin, but it's worth checking if your theme has the functionality built in already. And you can do this by going to your dashboard and log in, and then go down to Appearance and then Customize. And over here on the left, if you could add header and footer scripts, then it could be in there. So that's a good place to check before you upload a plugin. Can't do it through here. So what I need to do is install a plugin. Come out of here, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. And then let's search for plugins. So if you search for header and footer script, we get a few options here. But it's this one here, Insert Headers and Footers by WPBeginner, is the one that I use on all of my websites. And as you can see, it's got over 1 million active installations, so that's a good sign that it's a really good plugin. Okay, so click on Install Now, click on Activate, and my plugin is activated. So now to enter some code, all I need to do is come down here to Settings, then down to this new menu item, Insert Headers and Footers, click on that. And now I have three options, so I can add a script into my header, a script into the body, so if a script tells you to add it after the body tag, then you would put it into here, and also the footer as well. So they're the three different areas that you might want to add a script. So let's take Google Analytics for example. So if we come over here to Google Analytics, this is a site that I've already set up, but if you wanted to install Google Analytics on your own site, then you just need to come to analytics.google.com and register and set up your account. And then once you've done that, if you come down here on the left to Admin, and then up to Tracking Info, and then Tracking Code, you'll get this little bit of script here. And we can read here that it says, copy and paste this as the first item into your head of every web page you want to track. So it's important that it is first because this is Google Analytics and you want it to track everything that happens on your website. So you don't want any other scripts interfering with it. The only script that I would put before Google Analytics is a cookie script, because cookies need to have priorities over all of the scripts, and so someone can opt out of being tracked for cookies. So that needs to be first. So all I need to do is copy this. So I haven't had to write this. I've just come in here, I've copied it and come back over, and then instead I had to add it into the header here. You can see insert it into the head of every web page. So I don't need to put it on every web page because this does that for me. So anything that's in this header will show on every single web page I have on my website. So I click in there and I can right click and do paste or Control V. And there we go, that's added in. So I don't suggest you change anything in here. I'd leave everything as it is. And this little bit here, this orange bit, this is a comment. So this tells you what this particular script is. So you can see here, this is for Google Analytics. So if you had one for Pinterest or you had one for Facebook Pixel, then they would all be in here and you could tell which one was which. So if you wanted to remove one, you could easily. Okay, and then when you finish, just click on Save to update that and save it to your website. And that's it. Google Analytics are now active on my website. The best thing about this plugin is that you can add as many scripts as you want. So next time you're trying to set up Google Analytics or integrate with Facebook or Pinterest, you'll be ready to go and it'll only be a 30-second job. Thank you so much for watching. It's been really lovely to have you here. And I've got a whole playlist of WordPress tutorial videos, so be sure to go and check them out if you have a WordPress website. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon.